Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
First, I would like to thank Allah who has been giving us blessing and mercies, so we can meeting this program in a good condition. Okay, in this good opportunity, I would like to tell about the presentation about the CPU material. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce my group person. Okay, the first is RM Point Rio Bumi Arhastio. And the second, Robi Marantiano. And the third, it's me, Sandika Adil Firmansyah. The fourth is Safira Ayodhya Kusuma. And the last, Josephine Teddy Krista Utami. The structural material. The first is control unit. The second, arithmetic logic unit. And the third, memory address register. And the fourth, memory data register.
So the first topic is control unit. A control unit or CU is a retry that directs operation within a computer processors, like a logic unit, memory, input, and output devices. They know how to respond to instruction received from a program. A control unit works by receiving input information that it converts into control signals, then sends to the central processor. After that, the computer's processor tells the attachment hardware what operation is to carry out. The function on control unit are dependent to the type of CPU, like the variance of RT structure between different and manufacturers. In the mixing cycle, there's a step. The step 1 is fetch instruction on memory. The step 2 is decode instruction into commands. Step 3 is execute commands. Step 4, store result in memory.
Okay, next is arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is one part of a microprocessor that functions to perform arithmetic and logic operations. The main task of the ALU or arithmetic logic unit is to perform all arithmetic or mathematical calculations that occur according to program instructions, and ALU perform arithmetic operations on the basic of addition, while other arithmetic operations such as subtraction, multiplication, and division are carried out on the basis of addition. So, the electric circuit in the ALU that is used to carry out this arithmetic operation is called an adder and logical operation. A symbolic representation of an ALU and its input and output signals indicated by arrows pointing into or out of the ALU. Respectively, each arrow represents one or more signals. Control signals enter from the left and status signals exit on the right. Data flows from top to bottom, like what you see in the picture.
And third, we are going to discuss about memory address register or MAR. What is memory address register? In a computer, the memory address register is the CPU register that either stores the memory address from which data will be fetched to the CPU or the address to which data will be shared and stored. And how memory address register work? Memory address register holds the address of the current instruction that is to be fetched from memory, or the address in memory to which data is to be transferred. Memory data register hold the content found at the address held in the MAR, or data which is the transferred to main memory. And what is the purpose of address register? Address register are designed to make it easy to index into the array of constant register. The address register allow you to provide a signed integer offset into a constant register.
The left is memory data register. Actually, MDR is data store or addressing of data, but basically MDR is a list of computer control units containing data to be stored in computer storage. For example, RAM, or data after retrieving from computer storage. It acts like a buffer and holds whatever gets copied from memory ready for the processor to use. The MDR is half of the minimal interface between the microprogram and the computer storage. The other half is the memory address register. The much more complex memory interface exists, but these are the simplest ones that can work. The MDR contains the fetched or stored values. So how MDR works? When the data is fetched from memory and placed into the MDR, it's written to go in one direction. When there is a write instruction, the data to be written in place into the MDR from another CPU register, which then puts the data into memory. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.